quantity. Manish, did you get that sum? 39, the quantity D,
Yes, sir.
the quantity D is related to the four quantities by formula D equals to e raised to 3 q raised to 2 root rs. Percentage error in measurement of P, Q, R, S are 1%, 2%, 4%, 2% respectively. Calculate maximum percentage error in the calculation of P. Whenever they say percentage error, then all the errors will get added and power becomes multiplier. Like percentage error in D is equals to, this is how much is power? Is it 3? Power is 3.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it is 3 times percentage error in P. This is the formula. Huh? Plus power 2 percentage error in Q. Plus what is power? Root means what is power? Half.
Half.
Half percentage error in R. Plus half times percentage error in X. So whenever we are finding percentage error, we add all the error. Whether it is multiplication, whether it is division, we add all the error. So, क्या हो गया? अच्छा, नहीं लेकिन वो टेम्पररी है ना, अपने को कराना पड़ेगा ना पूरा काम. अच्छा, ठीक है, हाँ चलेगा. तो पेपर पहला बनाओ. हाँ चलेगा चलेगा, होमवर्क कर दो, कोई करेगा. Again I'm repeating. Power becomes multiplier. Ganesh followed? Hello, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
You have joined just now. So, and this topic I have not taught you. That's why I'm explaining. Power becomes multiplier in error. Power becomes multiplier in error. And all errors are added. So error in D will be 3 times error in P plus 2 times error in Q plus half of error in R plus half of error in S. I think every person followed.
Yes, sir.
Today,
Yes, sir.
Fisher, Atharva, everybody has followed.
Yes, sir.
3 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus half into 4 plus 2 into half into 2. Now, 3 into 1 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Plus half into 4 will be 2. This will get cancelled 1. So 6, 3, 9, 9 to 11. 11 and 1, 12%. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write. Power becomes multiplier and add all the errors. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Done.
Sum number 40. Two resistors are given as R1 equals to 100 plus or minus 3 ohm and R2 is 200 plus or minus 4 ohm are connected in series and then in parallel. Equivalent resistance in series and in parallel combination we have to. See, whenever value is given like this, then this means actual value and this is called error in that, denoted as DR1. This is R2 and this is called error in that, DR. What is formula for two resistance connected in series from your 10? Do you know it is R1 plus R2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First we will do proper operation with proper value. Series resistance in series R1 plus R2. 100 plus 200, these are actual values, equal to 300. Now we have to find error in RS. Error in RS is relative error in R1 plus error in 2. Errors are added. So this will become 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So RS value in series is 300 actual value with error possibility plus or minus 7. Is clear what I did? Whenever you are adding, तो फर्स्ट अपना ऑपरेशन एक्चुअल वैल्यू से कर, बाद में दोनों को एरर को ऐड कर दे, फिर जो फाइनल आंसर आया वो सम ऑफ रजिस्टर्स एक्चुअल एंड एरर. So answer in series will be 300 plus or minus 7. Just copy that. Did it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
पैरेलल वाला पार्ट आई विल डू व्हेन आई स्टार्ट विद सेकंड चैप्टर, क्योंकि एक थोड़ा मैथ्स है उसमें, डेरिवेटिव रूल. सो दैट पैरेलल वाला पार्ट आई एम नॉट डूइंग राइट. सम नंबर 41. time period of a simple pendulum is given by t equals to 2 pi root L by G. The error in the measurement of length is 3%. Error in length is 3%. And in gravity is 5%. Then find the percentage error in the time period. Again, same concept. Power becomes multiplier. The percentage error in T equals to 2 pi is constant, so it won't have any error. Root means power half. Percentage error in L. For G also root. Whether it is multiplication or division, always error add. Plus power half. Percentage error in G. So half into 3 plus half into 5. So this will become 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which is 8 by 2 equal to 4%. I think everybody should have followed. Yes, clear everybody?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Mass is 50 grams for a sphere. It is measured with accuracy. Accuracy means उससे ज़्यादा गलती नहीं होगा, उतना तक accurate हो सकता है. Denoted by dm plus or minus 0.5 gram. Radius is 10 centimeter. With accuracy plus or minus 1 millimeter. That is plus or minus 0.1 cent. Determine percentage error in density. Percentage error in density. What is density formula?
Mass upon volume.
Mass upon volume. And what is volume of a sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So percentage error in density will be percentage error in mass plus 4 by 3 pi is constant, so there is no error in this. R ka power is 3, so it will be 3 times percentage error in R. Now directly error is not given. We have to find. That means dm is error in m. They are saying percentage means out of 100 how much. So can I say it will be by cross multiply m into 100. In m error is dm, then in 100 it will be how much? dm into m upon 100. This is formula now. So percentage error in m is dm upon m into 100. In few sums they give directly. Here they have given individual values. We have to calculate. Plus 3 times dr upon r into 100. Yes, followed this formula tak please. Till this you all have followed?
Yes, sir.
Copy this much, there I am substituting the value. Yes, Ganesh, Tanmay, have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
डाउट है
sir.
तो बोला, because आपको इसका थियरी मैंने बीच में से स्टार्ट कर दिया.
Done, sir.
Now putting the values. dm 0.5, m is 50 into 100 plus 3 times dr 0.1, r 10 into 100, 50 into 2, 10 into 10, 0.5 into 2 is 1, 0.1 into 10 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3 equals to 4. This is final answer. Percentage error in density is 4%. Okay. Done now, I think.
Yes, sir. Done.
Forty-three all have done, na? 43, 44. Hello? 43,
Yes,
44,
sir.
45.
Yes, sir. We are done.
Till what you have done? Till 72?
Yes, sir.
Till 72 I have done for
Yes.
everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come to page number 29. Page number 29. This I have done any sum? Hello? I have done any of the sum?
Yes, sir. We completed up to 30.
Up to 30 this also I have done. Come to page number 32. Question number 1. Heading is dimension given. This may be slightly difficult to you at a time because few quantities is not done for you in the so far in 10. Ganesh, can you read the first one? Page number 32. Hello Ganesh, can you hear me? Hello Ganesh. Tanmay. Hello Tanmay. Hello. Hello Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Ganesh, read the sum number 1. Page number 32.
Distance z travels by particle.
No, no, no. Further. Page number 32.
1 minute, sir.
If C is the capacitance, that's what.
Okay. If C is the capacity, capacitance, and V is the electric potential, then the dimensional formula of C V square is
C is capacitance, V is electric potential. Dimension formula for CV square is. Dimensional formula for CV square V. Trisha, can you hear me? Trisha,
Yes, sir.
Kasam, you all can hear me?
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अभी देखो ये टर्म्स नया है. नया means you are going to study in 12, but इसका dimension we are finding in 11. The capacity of a conductor is given by charge upon voltage. This you have to buy at 10 times. Please write on the last page P equal to Q upon V. 10 times please write. When you are done, tell me. On the last page, keep on writing. P equal to Q upon V, P equal to Q upon V, P equal to Q upon V. 10 times please write. I think you all have finished writing 10 times. So C is Q upon V. V square. 1V cancel. Q. V means work upon charge. This I have done earlier for you. So Q cancel. So that means you are getting CV square HW, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now W is work done. Tell me its dimension. if you are remembering, M1 बोलो कितना क्या
M1 L1 T minus 2.
M1 L2 T minus 2 because it is force into displacement na. M1 L2 T minus 2. Now follow CV square dimension.
Yes, sir.
Okay, completely right. Correct. Wrong? Which relative? Consider. Right now not very control.
Done, sir.
Second one. Distance traveled by a particle is given by z equals to alpha plus beta t plus gamma t square. This is repeated one. What is dimension of gamma? Pratham, how to find dimension of gamma?
Since all the three quantities are heavy, they all have the same dimensions. Therefore, Z is equals to alpha.
हाँ एक ऐसा हमको खाली यही चाहिए ना. So
Yes.
whenever equation is given and they say this equation is correct, so term सब term का dimension same चाहिए. Then only you can add ना. Suppose this is one mango. तो मतलब ये भी मैंगो है, ये भी मैंगो है, ये भी मैंगो है. इससे मैंगो ऐड करके क्या मिला? मैंगो. If this is centimeter, so this has to be centimeter, has to be centimeter, has to be centimeter. So then only when you add centimeter, final answer centimeter. So whenever there are terms added, then every term must be same. Left hand side, right hand side, every term is same. This much you follow? Yes, Tanmay and Ganesh, you have followed this concept?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you are adding, it has to be like term. So every terms are same. So I can say Z ka dimension is same as gamma t square ka dimension. So gamma is same as Z upon t square. Z they are telling it is distance to L1. T is time, t square. When I take it t up, it is L1, t minus 2. This is my answer. Now, any doubt? Then please ask. No doubt. Then copy. Is there any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. This Sunday test, I think I have told you. What will be the test of it? Have I told you?
Yes, sir.
From which sum to which sum I told? Now see, all we have completed till page 32. So whatever I can complete further till Friday, only till that, nothing new. And
Sir, I have a doubt in the homework. You said us that we have to do till page we have to do of page 29, 21 to 30 MCQs, but there are nothing. There are no from 21 to 22 MCQs.
page number 21 to 32, okay?
Page 29, we have told us to do the MCQs from 21 to 30, but there was nothing.
21 to 30, there is no. No, there are no MCQs, see, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, that is what I thought. So I don't know from where you asked us.
No, chalega na. This only you have to practice. On page number 29 we have, no?
Yes, we have practiced the page number 20.
But that was homework. Once again you have to practice.
Okay, sir.
To make perfect, I told again practice.
Done, sir.
Everybody is done?
I guess so, yes.
Okay. Third. If velocity v, acceleration a, force F are taken as fundamental quantities, then dimension of Young's modulus is what? They are telling take V, AF as fundamental quantity, not length, mass, time, then dimension of Young's modulus will. So Young's modulus is depending on, they are telling V, A, F. So we say X depends upon VAF, dimension we want in VAF, power X, Y, Z. Young's modulus is one quantity. They are saying it depends upon VAF, then find its dimension. Dimension is these powers are called actually dimension. So left hand side must be same as right hand side. You don't know what is Young's modulus, but at least velocity so you are knowing. It is L1 t minus 1 raised to x meter per second. V wala part clear? V is meter per second.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration is meter per second square raised to y.
Yes.
And third one is F. F means N1, L1, t minus 2 raised to z. Now only I don't know what is y. Any modulus is having dimension same as pressure, force upon area. Now can you tell me left hand side? Is it M1, force is M1, L1, T minus 2, area is L2. So it is M1, L minus 1, T minus 2, depending upon L raised to X, T raised to minus X, L raised to Y, T raised to minus 2Y, M raised to Z, L raised to Z, T raised to minus 2Z. So this will become M ka power Z, L ka power X plus Y plus Z, and t ka power minus x minus 2y minus 2z. Okay. Yes. Okay. This much.
Yes, sir. Z
Now
is equals to 1.
super equating power of same basis. M ka power z, m ka power 1 matching. X plus y plus z should be minus 1. Then minus x minus 2y minus 2z is equals to minus 2. Equation. Copy till this.
Yes, sir.
Just copy till this.
Thanks, Satya.
Now I'm solving for getting x, y, z. Z already we got it is 1. I'm substituting z value in equation 2 and 3 so that I get answer in terms of x and y. X plus y plus z is 1 equal to minus 1. X plus y minus 1 is minus 2. So equation then minus x minus 2y minus 2 z is 1 equal to minus 2. On this we get minus x minus 2y minus 2 equal to minus 2. Minus x minus 2y minus 2 equal to minus 2. Minus x minus 2y equal to 0. Adding 4 and 5, we get x minus x will get cancelled, plus y minus 2y equal to minus y is minus 2. So y equals to 2. So we got z, we got y. Now from 4, x plus y is minus 2, x plus 2 is minus 2, x is minus 4. Therefore y will have dimension of b a f power x minus 4, a power is y, which is 2, f power 1. Take this option is there. F raised to 1, a raised to 2, v raised to minus 4. That is nothing but c. F1, a2, v minus 4. So whenever new quantity given, please solve by this method.
Done, sir.
Or consider the following equation of Bernoulli's theorem. There is one theorem called Bernoulli's theorem. According to that, P plus half rho v square plus rho vh is k, which they are telling it is constant. Is constant. Then dimension of k upon p is dash. See, all are same added, na? This plus this plus this is this. So is it like if this is pressure, this also should be like pressure, तभी तो आंसर क्या आएगा?
Yes, sir.
So can I say k का dimension is same as p का dimension? Term is same.
Yes.
देखो dimension unit से आता है. So whenever you are adding, you can't add kilogram with second. So if I want to add 10 kilograms, should be added with 2 kilograms. So can I say this is suppose something, this is same thing, this is same thing, this is same thing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
K and P are same. That means K upon P, if it is same means it will get cancelled. So dimensionless. Not followed.
It's a dimensionless.
If it is dimensionless, thrust मतलब force, उसके पास dimension है. Pressure के पास है, angle के पास dimension नहीं है ना? Angle is in radian का कुछ dimension है. So this is similar to angle because it is dimensionless. So option C. K upon P is same as that of anything which is dimensionless, angle is dimensionless. C. Shruti will wait after the lecture. Tanmay and Ganesh will wait after the lecture.
Done, sir.
If A equals to B plus C upon D plus E, dimension of B and C are given. Dimension of B and C are N0, LP minus 1, and C is N0, L, E0 respectively. Find the dimension of A, E, E. Dimension of A, E, E. A and B, are they same? Yes, A and B are same.
Yes.
Yes, because they are added. So B is M L T minus 1. I got A का dimension. Then they want B का dimension. C का dimension upon D, दोनों का dimension एक ही है. So upon D is same as, this whole thing is same as A or B. All are same. But numerator upon denominator, these two are added. So if this is suppose meter plus meter, I will get meter. So only D I have written. C upon D is same as A. Therefore D will be same as C upon A. C is M0 L T0. A is M0 L T minus 1. So this will become M0 only. LL will also cancel. L0 T1. So I got D ka dimension M0 L0 T1. Now D and E are matching because they are added. So again it is M0 L0 T1. Now we'll check where these three are meeting. A is M0 L1 T minus 1. I can see in E. Also in D. D is correct answer. Option D. Check. See it is matching. A ka M0 L T minus 1. T is same as only T. E is also only E. E is only T. Option D. Yes, everybody has followed. Option D.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's done.
Sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't rush. Understand and do. No need to rush.
Done, sir.
6 1. Which of the following pairs, out of the following pair, which one does not have identical dimension? मतलब क्या है इसका? Which has No, which one doesn't have identical dimension?
It means one of the pair is wrong.
मतलब दोनों में से कोई तो एक मैचिंग नहीं होना चाहिए ना, मैचिंग हो गया तो आइडेंटिकल, यूनिट मैचिंग तो आइडेंटिकल. फर्स्ट वन, मोमेंट ऑफ inertia. You don't know this quantity, don't worry, I will explain everything.
Sir, inertia and force are equal, no?
Pardon beta? Inertia and what you are saying? Inertia and
I am saying that both are dependent on one another, so they both are equal.
moment of inertia and moment of force they are telling. Moment of inertia is mass into square of distance and moment of force is RF. Moment of inertia is mr square and moment of force is RF. These are two formulas which we are going to study later. Are these two similar? Clear लग रहा है ना, अलग है दोनों. Hello? So they do not have identical dimension. Formula alag, unit alag. So how they will have same dimension? They do not have identical dimension. So this itself is my answer. Right. Work and torque, if you remember, work is force into displacement, torque RF matching, impulse momentum matching, angular momentum Planck's constant. You don't know right now, but they are matching. अभी एक पहला ही मिल गया ना, they are not matching. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
One last sum we are doing for today. Which one of the following is not a derived unit? So this you all should tell me. Which is not derived? I want answer from you all. Which is not derived?
Electric current.
Beautiful, correct. Current is not derived. So these are correct. Current is not derived. Section 7 completed. Now sum number 8 to sum number 20 is homework for you. Today evening I will send the solution of this. Not today evening, tomorrow morning I will send so that you can check. 8 to 20 homework other than whatever I have given to you.
Yes, sir.
And I will send the solution by tomorrow evening or afternoon so that you can check whether you have done properly or not. So next class when I meet, we will start from 21 onwards. Sunday's test also I have told you whatever I teach till Friday.
Yes.